Did you know the difference between hot and cold composting could mean waiting just weeks or over a year for finished compost? Today, I'm taking you deep into the world of composting, how it works, what to put in it, and how to solve those pesky problems that can really slow things down. Whether you want a fast steaming compost pile or you're more into the slow and steady game, by the end of this video, you'll know the exact methods, ingredients, and troubleshooting secrets to make composting easy and totally worth it. If you like practical, no-nonsense gardening tips, hit like and subscribe. Let's grow together. All right, let's break down hot composting first. Hot composting is all about speed. When your pile heats up to between 130 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit, those microorganisms get to work big time, breaking down material in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. What's the trick? You need a nice mix, nitrogen-rich greens like kitchen scraps and fresh grass clippings, plus carbon-rich browns like dried leaves and shredded cardboard in about a 2-to-1 ratio. Turning your pile every few days? Super important. That keeps oxygen moving and your pile toasty hot. Now, cold composting. This is the chill, set it and forget it method. Just pile up your organic waste and let nature do its thing, usually over 6 months to a year. Less effort, but you'll need more patience. It's perfect if you don't want to mess with turning your pile every week and you're not in a rush. No matter which method you pick, balance is everything. Greens give you nitrogen, think fruit and veggie scraps, coffee grounds, and grass clippings. Browns bring carbon, dried leaves, straw, sawdust, shredded paper. Too many greens and you'll get a smelly, slimy mess. Too many browns, your pile just sits there, barely breaking down. Let's troubleshoot the most common issues. If your pile stinks like ammonia, toss in more browns. If it's looking dry, add water until it feels like a wrung-out sponge. Got pests? No meat, no dairy, no oily foods, and always cover new scraps with a layer of browns to keep the critters out. I still remember my first hot compost pile. Turning it felt like I was uncovering a little furnace. Once you see that rich, dark compost crumble in your hands, trust me, you'll never want to toss organic waste in the trash again. Hot or cold, fast or slow, composting turns your waste into pure garden gold. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and join the family. Your soil will thank you, and so will the planet.